Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'll be telling you some amazing news which is by OpenAI Japan. So they said that an AI is coming which is called GPT-Next and it is 100 times more better than GPT-4. So I'll be telling you all about this model. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So, OpenAI Japan teases GPT Next, and it says that the OpenAI's new model is 100 times more powerful than GPT-4, while also teasing a more advanced model named Orion in 2025. So, about Project Orion, I've already made a video, so you can go watch it if you want to watch. So you can go watch it now if you want to watch and know more about Project Orion. So, but now I'll be telling you about GPT Next, which will be releasing by the end of this year. They didn't tell exactly which date, but they said like this year in 2024, it might be getting released, which is called GPT Next, and it would be 100 times better than GPT-4. So here, this is a picture you can see in which there's a GPT-3 era, GPT-4 era, and GPT Next, and here it says that it is 100 times better than GPT-4. So here it says that OpenAI is close to releasing new AI models that will be 100 times more powerful than GPT-4, with OpenAI Japan teasing GPT Next as how I said it's 100 times more powerful without wasting more computing resources. So scrolling down, so they also said that GPT Next to achieve 3 ohms boost means great insights from the KDDI Summit. So KDDI Summit was done like few days ago, and there the OpenAI CEO of Japan, Tadao Nagasaki, so he unveils plan for GPT Next, promising an order of magnitude, which means ohms, leap. And they said that this AI model aims for 100x more computational volume than GPT-4 using similar resources. But like, let me go to Twitter so that I can tell you the full news. Here it says. They said it will use similar resources, but it will have improved architecture and efficiency, and it's trained on a compact Strawberry version. So they're taking a little bit part of the Strawberry means it will be trained on Strawberry. So what is Strawberry? Actually, this AI is made by OpenAI. OpenAI made this AI called Strawberry. What it does, it produces synthetic data. So it produces its own data, so which is set to release later this year. And Nagasaki also mentioned Orion, which I already told you in another video what project is. So that project Orion would be trained on 10K H100 GPUs, adding another 10x in computational skill, pushing the total to 3 ohms beyond current GPT-4. So these exciting advancements signal a new era in AI capability. So you can go to the source also if you want to watch more about it. So this is the person who's the CEO of OpenAI Japan, and his name is Tadao Nagasaki. So he said about this, about Project Orion also, he said about this GPT Next, which would be 100 times more computational volume than GPT-4. And the new codename Strawberry AI model was how it was teased alongside Orion, with Strawberry ending up as GPT Next and expected by the end of the year, while Orion will be unleashed in 2025. So, here let me tell you about it. GPT Next and Orion are two different models. They are not the same, so you don't need to confuse Orion with GPT Next. So Orion would be released in 2025 and its power would be 10x. But GPT Next would be like expected by the end of the year, which is 2024, and it would have 100 times more power than GPT-4. And they said that the researchers call the Strawberry as System 2 thinking. Now, what is System 2 thinking? This will allow GPT Next to take the time to deliberate and reason through problems and it also predicts longer and longer sets of tokens to complete its responses. So the system to thinking has impressive results, which scores over 90% on the math benchmark, which is a collection of advanced mathematical problems. Means the system to what it does, it scores over 90% on the math benchmark. So math benchmark is actually it's a collection of advanced mathematical problems. So here the system too has impressive results. And Strawberry, as I already said, will have the ability to generate high quality synthetic training data. So it will create its own data. So the data you'll not get from somewhere, it will create its own data. Means synthetic means it will make its own data, addressing the challenges across AI development because there's not many diverse high quality data for training models. So OpenAI's achievement here could see a big boost in capabilities of GPT-Next and gets ready for even more advanced models like Orion. And here they said that Tadao Nagasaki from OpenAI Japan unveiled the plans for GPT-Next, promising orders of magnitude leap of 100x more computational volume than GPT-4 while using similar computing resources. They said no additional AI GPU hardware will be required as there have been optimizations of the AI model and more from the OpenAI team. So they said that it's expected to achieve 100x performance increase without wasting any computing resources. They say that the improvement comes from better architecture and learning efficiency, not just raw computing power. And they said that GPT Next will use a smaller version of Strawberry, which is an advanced AI system OpenAI is currently developing. And they also, the slide which I showed you, it also mentioned GPT Next 2024 that model may be released by the end of 2024. So that's all I can say about this GPT Next. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.